Welcome to Space Messenger. Today we have some exciting news to share with you. India has made a major breakthrough by successfully testing a new 3D-printed rocket engine. This new manufacturing approach saves a lot of material and time. On May 9th, the Indian Space Research Organization performed a successful hot-fire test of a liquid-fueled rocket engine built using additive manufacturing technology. This engine burns a hypergolic mix of nitrogen tetroxide and monomethyl hydrazine, firing for a duration of 665 seconds, marking a significant milestone. The engine is used in the upper stage of India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. The Indian Space Research Organization reported that this new laser powder bed fusion technique has reduced the number of engine parts from 14 to just one piece. This has eliminated 19 weld joints and significantly saved on raw material usage per engine. The new process uses only 13.7 kilograms of metal powder. The Indian Space Research Organization successfully conducted a long-duration test of the PS4 engine, redesigned for production using cutting-edge additive manufacturing techniques and crafted within Indian industry. The new engine, now a single piece, saves 97% of raw materials. The 44-meter PSLV is one of India's workhorse launchers, along with the LVM-3. This rocket can deliver up to 1,750 kilos of payload to sun-synchronous polar orbits 370 miles high. This milestone will help the country boost its launch rate. India also has ambitious plans for human spaceflight, including landing an astronaut on the moon and establishing a lunar base by 2047. So there you have it, India's big leap in the space arena. Stay tuned to Space Messenger for more exciting updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a cosmic event. Until next time, keep looking up.